Chin, and I started my stock investing journey when I was just 17 years old. The only access to stocks was by using an ATM to dollar cost average into the Straits Times Index Fund, which is the Singapore's main basket of stocks, right, which is 30 stocks, like DBS, UOB, etc. Back then, it was during the 2016 to 2019, during the Trump presidency, when I really got familiar with the stock market and its volatility. I went straight into my country's index fund and started from there $100 a month. And so I dollar cost average for that entire year when I was 17 years old, and then I exited after a year. Along the way, I also tried multiple robo-advisors like AutoWealth and others, but their returns were quite small, so I diversified my stock portfolio by also buying mutual funds, right? And since the returns from the robo-advisors were not what I expected, not as good as I expected, I went into US stocks the first opportunity I could, as I heard that they were much more profitable compared to my local Singapore stocks. And after that familiarization period and sitting out the start of COVID, it was during the Biden economic miracle, and during this period between 2021 to 2022, about there, my account actually grew 15 times from $17,000 to $250,000, and it was honestly a mix of beginner's luck and skill, right? And while I have learned options trading when I was studying my finance diploma back at Singapore Polytechnic, doing it in practice versus in theory is so different, right? So for options trading, my biggest loss was above 6 figures actually, because I was greedy and I tried to flip my account to $300,000 from $200,000. So along the way, I also made very good bets, right, which is from cybersecurity stocks like CrowdStrike, Datadog, Cloudflare, so on and so forth. And I did primarily very well in these high beta stocks, which has a very high correlation to the stock market. And also I delved into consumer discretionary stocks, which means that stocks like Coca-Cola or like Pepsi. So these are the stocks which I really went in and have a lot of success in. So overall, I would feel that my journey as an investor was very fruitful, and I continue to learn something new about the stock markets every day. So even as being an investor for the past 9 years, I feel that everyone needs to be humble and know that not everyone knows everything. And at the end of the day, luck plays a very important factor in the returns of our portfolio. So thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.